Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode. Hope you're all having a great day. Must say that I am not really having the best of days. So Hood has come back, but unfortunately the transport carrier has damaged my front, my G-ready lip. It's quite badly damaged. Yeah, if you guys have been following me on my other social media platforms, you'll know exactly which carrier I'm referring to. And they are not wanting to cover the damages, so I'm going to have to go the legal route to obviously get this resolved. So a bit bummed about that, but otherwise I've got a couple of other surprises as I mentioned in the previous vlog, and I will be showing you guys what they are today. But for now I'm just busy with some maintenance on the Jazz, swapping out one of the interior lights on the shifter panel, as well as replacing the missing Honda badge on the front. So let me just get back to that, and yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit later what I was referring to with regards to the surprises. Excuse the mess. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the blown interior light or dash light or whatever you want to call it, and I've replaced it with one of these LEDs which is in already. Yeah, so it's basically this panel was not lighting up, and that's been resolved. I just need to get to replacing the H badge. Where did I put that thing? It's somewhere here in the car, but anyway, let me just finish up and then I will reveal the surprises to you guys. And I found the H. So yeah, this is the new one, and looking very empty, but I'll be replacing that just now. All sorted. Just press it down a bit more just to ensure that's got a secure fit. And let's get to the surprises. Ta-da! And I finally managed to get my new Enkai wheels down from Joburg. These are the Mitsubishi Evo 8 Enkai wheels, one of two sets that I am aware of in Cape Town. I previously brought down a set for Ashley with the silver EP3, so he's got the one set, and this is the second set that I am aware of. Can't wait to fit these. Just need to do some touch-ups. Going to do a color change. I had some other plans in mind for these wheels, but I think just a color change, fit some skinnies on and then fit them to the car as well. So yeah, that will be the next future plans for Hood. And then just to show you guys the second surprise. And it's a gloomy day here. The weather is putrid, storming, lightning, thunder, heavy downpours, although it has eased up a little bit. But let me just flip the camera around so I can show you guys a continuation of the surprises. And yeah, and then I'm just waiting for my dad to get back so that I can also show him, because this is actually going to be a gift to him. I hope you guys enjoy. And here she is, 520D M Sport Edition. Super clean, reasonably low mileage, only 130,000 kilometers on the clock, and this thing drives exceptionally well. Once I get to pull out, I suppose when the weather's a bit better as well, then I'll give a proper walk around and run down of what this car has to offer. But I really got it at a good deal. And Pops is here. Surprise! Huh? Surprise! Huh? New car. Sorry? How thing?
What about this one?
Must be sold. And that's going onto my YouTube channel, just so you know. And just like that, we've come to the end of another vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. As I have mentioned, I will be doing a drive around with a BM, so I'll probably vlog that. I'll obviously have to show my dad how some of the features in that car works as well, because it's a bit more technologically advanced compared to the Jag. But yeah, looking forward to that, and I'm sure he's going to enjoy the drive as much as I have been already. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as that bell icon for more content and notifications. Till next one, guys, have a good day further. Cheers.